Hello, I'm finishing up my quiz here on Monuments of Paris. I should probably change the name. Okay, now for this Monuments of Paris quiz, I want to add an extra layer of security, in air quotes, for my kids. So I want to make sure that students who are not in class cannot access the quiz. I don't want them logging in from home. I want to make sure that it's anybody who is in class is accessing the quiz at that time. So here's one of the ways that I'm going to do that. I'm going to add a code up here in this very first section. So I'm collecting email addresses, first name, last name, and I'm going to add a question here that says code. And it's going to change it to a short answer question as it did. This question is going to be required. And then here's where the magic is. I'm going to click on the three dots and I'm going to use response validation. This is where you choose what the code is. So I usually choose number is equal to, and then I choose a number like 20, 19, 28, whatever it is. And then for custom error text, I usually put sorry, try again. So now the students, when they go here to this very first part, they are not going to be able to get to the next section down here. It says questions on France until they have this code. So what I do is I say this code at the very beginning of class, and as soon as I say the code, I change the code. So even if a student thought that they might be sneaky and text message it to a friend, then the code would be changed right away. So let me show you how it looks. So this is what the student is going to see. So they're going to type in their email address. I'm just typing in fake stuff here. And I have them fill in everything except for the code. So let's say, I already forgot what my code was. Let me go back here. 201948. Okay, so then in class I would tell them the code is 201948, and it will allow me to go on. If I typed in 20194895 and I tried to go on, it says sorry, try again. So if I try now, it'll let me go to the next section. As soon as students get into the quiz, then I, as the teacher, go back here and I change this to something else. So now if a kid goes back, or somebody else was trying to get into the code or get into the quiz 20 seconds later, and they typed in 201948, my fake answers here, it will tell me, nope, sorry, that is not the right code anymore, and they won't be able to get into the form. So that's just one way that you can restrict who is taking the test at what time.